back.
And then from here, this will be most of the float right here. And I'll be doing that by hand. Cause the rest of this shit, we can scrape all that shit back down.
That's good.
These little nuts, with that little hand scraper that's in my thing. Yeah.
Oh, Uncle Lou, a beast. Just dump that shit. He just spread it like it was nothing, like it was peanut butter on bread. The fuck out of
Yeah,
here.
that was the worst part of the floor too. That was like the most fucked up
Yeah,
part.
it really was.
Shit looked smooth in the motherfucker.
So when we come hit the floor, we won't have too much. We won't have a headache. Not bad, not bad. My hair, oh, hoodie, hood hair. I'm just spreading it so he don't have to be on the floor that long. They take their break. I'm finishing the house. Ooh, I'm glad I know how to dance. I would have busted my ass just now. Oh, I'm so glad this part is done. It's the hardest part, putting the floor down. Man, it's getting hot now. I just warm today. But now I'm about to come out my shirt. It's fucking hot.
It started jumping. I was like,
Fish stores, Uncle Lou.
We ain't there yet, this bitch is. We had to start chasing them. Thank God we had the trolling motor on that bitch.
Me.
He just pulled my ass. Leveling good.
Comienza a perceberse con claridad.
Pueden aplicarse algunas restricciones y exclusiones. Consulta los detalles en las tiendas participantes. Exámenes de la vista disponibles en el consultorio independiente de
How
optometría.
flat that shit is now. It took hit that floor and it'll be easy.
That way you know it.
Yeah. I know it's 207, but I'll probably forget it.
I'm just saying.
It's hot.